Hello? Yes, this is Daniel. I am calling about the job application.
Mom?
Why is Dad sitting in the car?
He is just sitting there. He is not driving.
Sometimes adults need quiet time. Come and eat your breakfast.
I see. Yes. Thank you for letting me know. Good morning. Sorry I was late. Traffic was bad.
There is no traffic at 7 in the morning, Daniel.
I know. I was just sitting, thinking about work. It is nothing. How is the cereal, Leo?
The cereal is good.
Ah.
Dad, what time do you go to work today?
The usual time, 8:30. I should go and get ready.
He did not eat his breakfast.
I am going. Have a good day. Leo, work hard at school.
Bye, Dad. See you tonight.
Job center. Right, okay. Let us go.
Hello? Yes, this is Sarah, Daniel's wife. I am calling to check. He arrived today? He does not work there anymore. Since when? Since 3 weeks ago? 3 weeks. He did not tell me. For 3 weeks.
Good evening. Good evening. Sorry I am late. The office was very busy today.
Daniel, please.
Sarah. Sarah.
How long?
3 weeks. I lost my job 3 weeks ago. I am sorry, Sarah.
Why did you not tell me? Daniel. Why did you not tell me?
Because I did not want you to worry. Because I wanted to fix it myself first. Because I was ashamed.
Of what? Of losing a job? Daniel, that can happen to anyone.
I am the one who pays the rent. I am the one who is supposed to.
You are supposed to talk to me. That is what you are supposed to do.
I did not want to be a problem.
You are not a problem. A problem. You are my husband.
Mom and Dad are talking very quietly. That means something important is happening.
How much money do we have left?
Enough for 6 weeks. Maybe 8, if we are careful.
6 weeks is enough time. I can work more hours. And you will find something.
How are you so calm?
I am not calm. I am terrified. But we can be terrified together. That is the point.
They stopped talking. Now it is very quiet. Quiet is either very good or very bad. Mom? Mom? Dad? I finished my homework. Can I come in?
Of course. Come in, my love. Come and sit with us.
Is everything okay? Your eyes are different tonight.
Leo, I need to tell you something. Something important. And I need you to listen.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. I am listening.
I lost my job. That means I do not go to work anymore. But I am looking for a new one.
every day. I am trying.
Okay, so you do not have a job right now. But you had one before. And you will have one again.
It is not that simple, Leo.
Why not? You are smart. You work hard. I have seen you. You wake up early every day.
You have seen me? You have seen me?
Of course seen you. Of course I have seen you. You are my dad. I always see you.
Okay, new plan. Every morning we eat breakfast together. Then Daniel looks for jobs. Then I go to work. Yes?
And I go to school and learn things so that one day I can also get a good job.
That is a very good plan, Leo. I think that is the best part of the plan.
Dad, can I ask you something?
You can always ask me anything, Leo. Always, always.
Were you scared when you lost your job? Were you scared?
Yes, I was very scared. I am still a little bit scared, but less than yesterday.
Good, because scared and brave can happen at the same time. My teacher told me that.
Application sent. That is number 14 this week. Come on. Just one. Just one, yes.
How was your day? Did anyone call?
Not today. But I have 3 interviews next week.
3.
3?
3.
Daniel.
Daniel, that is good.
That is very good. Leo. Leo, come here.
Dad, I made you something for good luck, for your interviews. I put a sun in it
Huh?
because the sun means good things are coming.
I am going to keep this. I am going to take it to every interview.
Call me. After. Whatever happens. Call me first.
Good luck, Dad. The sun is in your pocket. You will be great.
Okay. I am ready. I have the card. Let us go. Let's go.
Leo, stop watching the phone. He will call when he calls.
I am not watching it. I am just sitting near it.
Hello? Yes. Yes, this is his wife. Yes. Of course, I will tell him. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mom, what did they say? Tell me. Tell me right now.
That was the company from Tuesday. They want to see Dad again. A second interview.
Is that good? Is a second interview good? That means they liked him, right? That is good.
Yes, Leo, that is very good. Now, we do not tell Dad on the phone. We wait. He comes home, we tell him together.
How was your... Why are you both standing there?
Dad, they called. The company from Tuesday. They want to see you again. That means they liked you.
They called? A second interview?
Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock. And you are going to be ready. Ready.
And I will make you another card. With 2 suns this time. For extra luck.
Has something difficult ever happened to your family? Write it below. And if you want to practice more English Bee, subscribe. We are here every week.